I just wanted to do a video on Replicanto. It's the first day I'm using it. I was kind of against the trade copiers, but I said let me play around. So I just got the trial going. Um, I have a PA account, which is the leader, using only Tradeovate. Got rid of Rhythmic. There's too many issues with it. Updating the Earn Max. They're still not letting me trade it. I was, like I said, up, 55 or 6,000 in that range in 9 days, no losing days, and they probably don't want to pay me. So back to Apex, Tradeovate, leader account. I think I got 9 followers. So it was the first I ever used in something like this. Didn't have confidence it would work. So if you look at the trades, the PA. So I started with the PA, the 25K, and I linked it with the 50K. 50K did a little $50 better, which is fine. And then after I tested 2 trades on that, I was like, all right, this is going pretty good. So it looks like I took 4 trades, $100 each. They all won. These were only 2 trades. But, do the math here. And if you're trading like this, 10 accounts, it's a lot easier to hit $1 and $200 a day than it is $3 and $4, $5 and $600 a day. And, you know the math here. This is over $2,000 in income, and probably did it in minutes. I didn't even look at the trade performance yet. I've never used it before, but we'll take a quick look. I guess I have to. Yeah, I'm not even sure what you should do. You got to filter. Yeah, I guess it's nothing populating, so I got to figure that part out. Maybe I got to shut Replicanto off before you do that. But anyway, good day there. These all brand new accounts. I got it from the last day. But that's how I'm going to kind of move forward. I kind of just the logic of trading. I do have Trade Saber on, but you can see it's off here. I'm only trading 1 contract. I feel like I can manage the trades better. I waited till after 10 o'clock. The first half hour was kind of busy. I got to leave for work now, and I'm done for the day. So I was looking to get a few minutes and be done, and I probably did it in 5 minutes. Once this level, it was fluctuating here the whole morning. And I wouldn't, this is a rough spot to trade because you don't know which way it's going at this line. This is a Ludwig level. And look, right from the get-go, it's just boom, boom, boom. You don't know. I probably could have won there because it didn't go far. And the way I trade, I would have took my money. I could have been done. But you don't know when it's going to shoot like a rocket. And eventually, I guess it shot down. It looks like it's breaking higher here. And I could have said, oh, it's going long, and took a long here and got in trouble. But I was still holding up. Now look. Once it breaks here, great signal here. If you were doing automation, Trade Saber would have won. All of these were winners. You could have automated this and won. I was trading manually. This was a level I was particularly looking at. It was the open. I guess this is something new that I'm using. Another level, Globex open. I think that's what it is. It's the low, the high. So look how tight this range is. Price was trading. It's low of the day, high of the day, and the open. So I knew if it broke this, we're probably going down to here, and that's exactly what happened. I think I just did shorts right here. Played this area right here, 3 or 4 trades. Let's see, it came back up. I think I played this area here. This was a little dicey here. I think I actually took one of these shorts right here. I don't know when the trade performance comes up, but you can see, even though it was, spiking up pretty hard, it hits this level, and when I realized how good these levels were, I started using them, and look at that, bang. Even if you jump back in here, it was probably enough to get you paid if you go into 3 to 5 points like I do. And then again, it's hovering around here. Now, good reason to go short here. Not only you got this, and these are really relevant. It tends to hit this in reverse. Let's see what happened here. All right, so it's still down. So down was the play, and that's what I did based on levels, and that's the whole logic of the strategy. This is a great software. You can see even these longs into this level. I would never take this trade. It actually won. You can see it struggled. Here's another one. I mean, you broke the level here, got the signal, but you got another level. I wouldn't take it, but that actually won. So if you just want to turn this on and let it run, you probably would have did good today. I'll take a quick look at the ES. I don't really trade it. I use it as a guide. And you can see, yes, trading around these levels is just stuck in this range right here because of these levels. Now, I do have automation. set for this on Trade Saber. It's just on Sim. I want to see how this would have did. I posted it on Discord, and I think some people, just want to turn this on and let it trade automatically, which I don't recommend, but I understand people are busy and they just have to depend on automation. So at the open, I mean, you could probably turn this on. You won that trade. You won this trade. You won this trade. These are engulfing bars. You would have won those. I don't take those. But, look at the logic of the way I would trade. Now, trades I like. I don't like these trades because you're trading into these levels, but I do like this one. And I do like this one because you're coming from a level like this one. Now you're coming back down to finish. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put a buy right here, knowing even if it gets through, I'm going to get a couple of point reaction, or at least enough to get my first target. And you would have won, even though it was going down. It hit this level and bounced up. You can see it. This is a pretty good engulfing, but again, into levels, not crazy. Again, I like putting a buy right here, but in a hard downtrend, not so much. But yeah, you would have won this too. Here's another winner. So this automation would have won as well. So here's another winner. So this Trade Saber tool with the templates I made and put on Discord look like, you could just turn it on. And again, I don't do that, but I know a lot of people want to do that, make life easier, and there you go. But anyway, just wanted to give a Replicanto update, Trade Saber update, how I trade. I know some people are interested, so hopefully it could help somebody. But this is what I do for the day, and hey, wish me luck. This is exciting with this Replicanto as long as it functions properly. And the last thing is I might upgrade my VPS because I'm on a basic level, and I feel like it was a little slow today in responding. So if I go to the highest level, if it speeds up my computer and processing and no lag, which I noticed there was a little lag in all the orders getting filled, and that's why maybe I got a little bit of separation. But you see, these were locked in, so we'll see what the upgrade does. And you can see the loss was the first trade. I guess I was a little nervous. I was in Sim, and I took a trade. And when I realized it was Sim, I was like, and it went against me. I was like, ooh, it was going up to a level where I knew it was going to react. So I closed that one real quick, jumped back in, and actually wound up winning that trade that I first started out in. So that's where that came from. All right, got a boogie. Got to go to work and entertain people.